If you are looking for a great pair of binoculars that are easy to use, these are probably the easiest binoculars I've ever had, that are waterproof, that make a great gift, have the FMC lens, palm size, and you have the low night vision in HD. You can zoom in up to 20 times on these. This is exactly what they look like. Super beginner friendly, which I really like a lot. This is how you're going to adjust it right over here, which is nice. Super easy. Comes with a strap, so you could just strap it on and wear it around your neck if you want. We got these protective covers as well, which is great, so you don't have to worry about this. These are waterproof. These are fog proof, which is really, really nice. I just love the fact that these are wide. I've had a lot of binoculars that are much smaller, and which makes it really hard to see out. I just really love these super beginner friendly. I've got binoculars in the past I couldn't even figure out how to use. Right out the box, I was ever going to figure this out. So if you're looking for a great pair of binoculars for yourself or a gift, definitely check these out. And a huge thank you to the brand for sending these over so I could do this review.